Congrats! Siyempre, expect ko naman talaga ng lahat.
Actually, sobrang akong surprise.
Surprise ka?
Hindi ko nasahan. Joke.
Oo. Mas masusurprise kami kung hindi kayo nanalo. Congrats! Mamaya hintay ka nila.
Congrats! Argus! Congrats, Kolo!
So happy. Number 1. Congrats!
Direk,
Congrats, bye!
Thank you!
Hintay pa kami mamaya.
Sana madami pa.
Ate B! Hello, June! Congrats! Talagang lahat kami, standing ovation. Yung Christmas Day na lang kami lahat.
Really?
Standing ovation.
Promise? Nagustuhan na.
Nandun si Bayon.
Salamat.
Nandun si ano?
Ano?
Oo, doon sa
Preview sa
gateway.
ano?
Gateway. Ang galing. Congrats.
Lagay ko muna dito yung bag ko. Sige, lagay mo muna. Dito
Sorry.
Grabe, that is the cast of Isang Himala. What a world-class Pinoy performance. Let's give it up again for the cast of Isang Himala.
Grabe, no? If we're gonna be asking people may himala, we just saw one right here on the stage. Lalo na kapag ginamit sa panalahat ng isang istorya.
And to present the nominees for Best Musical Score, Range Frequencies, Taiwan Hospital Killer, Alex Serino and Rob Gomez with MFF Hall of Famer composer, Mr. Nonong Buencamino.
Full body yun ulit ah.
Juan de Guzman, Espantajo. Len Tao, Reloads. Vincent De Jesus, Isang Himala.
One more.
I'm so sad that Direk Neil can't be here today. We are so proud of his work. Sobrang cinematic, sobrang laki ng nagawa niya. When we first thought of doing a prison film, we thought, paano to magiging masikip, malikit, claustrophobic. But he did something so beautiful that it's exactly the opposite. So congrats, Direk Neil, you did great. Congrats, Brimon!
Man kaya ang umangat pagdating sa production design.
And to present it all for Best Production Design, we have world-class Filipino designer, Mr. Bob Pineda.
And Miss Universe Philippines 2014, MJ Lastimosa.
Go, sir.
Ang pelikula ay isang visual medium para magbahagi ng kwento. Ang bawat kulay, bawat linya, bawat bagay sa pagdinig ng eksena ng mga karakter na ating pinapanood. Lahat yan, bahagi ng production design. Hindi naman yata pwedeng nakabang Pineda ka, di ba? Kung hindi pasyon. Pwede bang namamalimos?
Pwede naman, mali mo, di ba? Tadaanan ko siya, tapos binigyan ko ng mga damit ko.
Why not pamasko?
Di ba? Mahalagang aspeto ang production design para mas maintindihan natin ang nararamdaman sa loobin at mundong ginagalawan ng mga karakter sa pelikula.
Kaninong disenyong pang-pelikula kaya ang pinakamatagumpay ngayong taon? Here are the nominees for the Best Production Design.
Angel B. Diesta, Espantajo. Maulen Fabri, Green Bones. Erickson Navarro, Isang Himala. Strange Frequencies, Taiwan Killer Hospital. Richard Somes, Topa.
Unang MMFF film ko po ito at unang pagkilala. Maraming salamat. Gusto ko pasalamatan yung mga producers ko po. APTM Quest MZ, Miss Jane Pichena, Sir Joe Scams. Kalahati rin ang award na to. Gusto kong ialay din kay Abby Polino, ang aming costume designer. Sa aming collaborator, sa mga ED, Miss Shane Sarte, sa aming cinematographer, sa aming producing team, Adi, Raymar, Marga, maraming salamat. At syempre sa aming kapitan, Direk Mike. You got it, Direk. Syempre sa aming mga cast, sobrang salamat po. Para sa buong art department po ito, at sana magtuloy-tuloy po ang Eddie Garciolo para protektahan po ang welfare ng aming art department. Maraming salamat po, Metro Manila Film Fest.
Congratulations to our Best Cinematography, Best Production Design, at Best Editing winners. Sabi nga niya, para...
We're here to celebrate. Head turn.
The kingdom! This is a big moment for you. Every year makes us really spend time about people that not ready for the project that they need. And it also happens for the ones who did need. Kasi yun naman talaga, ang gusto of everyone saying that Philippine cinema is dying. It is
Buhay mahalaga. Sasabay na lang ako, baka doon pa ako manalo. Basta pa ako. Tapos na 54 na rin. Salamat eh.
Joining him on stage, please welcome our MMFF Hall of Famers, directors Joel Lamada and Jose Javier Reyes, actress Vilma Santos, supporting actress Eugene Domingo, screenplay Ricky Lee, Roy Iglesias, Jose Javier Reyes, cinematography Lee May Lee, Carlo Mendoza, editing Manet David, sound Michael Albert Idioma, Tito Agala, music Juan de Guzman, Dono.
Sa mga awards na nakuha. Happy birthday! Congrats! Happy birthday! What's the thing you know, help us? Nagbuka lahat. Here din po.
Thank you.
Last na lang, here.
Salamat
Team.
po.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you, boss.
Congratulations. Thank you.
Congratulations.
Okay, good job.